Today is a cooking segment on this vlog too. It's just a little light fry is fine. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is a cooking segment on this vlog today. We are making Ayamase sauce. That's Ofada sauce. And right here is the guy wearing apron, but is never going to do anything in the kitchen. Adura.
He thought I was going to eat.
And Kede over here. And Dipo, I think you have to come to the light. So the only thing you've missed here is the prep, as the cleaning of the pepper. But then this is the pepper. It's currently boiling. This is basically red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and scotch bonnet atarodo. So for my Yoruba people, it's tatashe and atarodo. And then the oil is here, bleaching the oil. And then we have, what's this thing called? The meat over here. Orishirishi assorted here. Before cook with me. This vlog is called Cook With Me Vlog. So one hack, so that you are not sneezing up and down the house when you are bleaching your oil, just cover it, basically. That's it. That's the hack. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Okay, we move.
So we are going to get drinks. What kind of drinks do you think will go well with Ayamase? Think about it. Stay tuned to find out.
Please, you should buy me that Zobo. Are you going to trust this? So guys, I've just started to boil the meat. Here is the meat. It basically has beef, momo, shaki. I'm boiling them all in one pot. I've finished boiling the pepper. And this is the oil bleaching. I really don't know how food vloggers do this thing, because this is quite difficult. But we're going to do it. So I've covered the bleach oil like I said before. This is locust beans. Gotten from the village. It's gotten from where? I don't know. Locust bean, I've cleaned it. Locust bean. And I'm also going to start cleaning and deboning these panla fishes. Fish right now, and the meat is boiling. I've already showed them that before, but smell it. Oh, smell nice.
It's the sunshine.
Oh no! You come and tell them. Oh.
Everybody's running.
Honorable Kede over here said that to make sure our enlightened, well-educated.
She went to abroad.
She went abroad overseas for this education, so take it. Yeah. When you are boiling your meat, soften it faster, put a lot of onion because it breaks down the enzyme, the protein enzymes. And you can also use, she's saying it and I'm not. You can also use honey. Honey does the same thing. Did you know that? You heard it here first. That's right.
I can use corn too.
No, potash. The one that we know, potash. Calm is the one that we know. Anyways, let's move on. Adura brought drinks for us. Thank you.
Cheers.
At least if you can't cook, you bring something that we can.
No, Fanta and fried. I think Kede doesn't have tea. There's no tea. There should be lemon there.
Lemon. So guys, now so it be while you're waiting for things to cook, you
káàbọ̀ sórí ètò wa, ètò bá ṣe ń bá lọ yìí. Ofada láyìn ṣe lọ́wọ́ o.
As in, you will cook for 3 hours, eat for 20 minutes.
That's the beauty of Nigerian dishes.
Abeg, it's suffer head.
No, but at the end of the day, when you taste the bursting of flavors in your mouth, you know, there's the, what's it called now? There's the shaki, there's the edo, there's the panla. You know, when all these things just combine in your mouth, it just gives you a flavor ecstasy in your mouth. Like, It's just something that you just cannot. At the end of the day, when you taste your food and you know that my 3 hours of labor was really worth it.
Preach! Preach, Pastor Dipo. So we have Adura over here cutting the boiled meat into bits. You know, if it's not tiny, we can't eat it. It has to be tiny inside your father. Now, wow, you think he's doing something? It's not that deep now. Look up too and look at the camera and tell them what you're
serious here.
You
look like joking business to you.
So right now we've cut the beef into bits. Beef, pomo, shaki, everything. Yes, it's part of the beef. You say it's brisket bone. How old were you when you knew that it was actually called brisket bone and not biscuit bone? She's just knowing today. Yes, dear. It says brisket bone.
Yeah, so it's brisket bone, not biscuit bone.
Yeah.
Brisket bone.
You heard it here first. See, you are getting education. First of all, you're learning how to make ayamase. You learned about onion and honey, and now you're learning about biscuit bone.
So you leave it to fry. You don't want to keep on stirring it because you get uneven frying. So leave it, let it soak, let it fry before you stir it.
You heard it here first. Yeah, this sauce has to be sweet. Oh my bed gone. But you also need to be far from the oil because of what? Just the only reason basically. The shaki. Oh my boss. You used to ta.
Wisdom. Don't leave me.
I'll leave you not. The shaki. Sparks. Oh man ta.
It's a sparking shaki.
It's a sparking shaki.
Spark the killer.
Oh and spark. So let me go and show them Adura.
The Baba apron.
So we were here cooking you want apron and came to sit in the parlor. Playing game. We are your servants, Abi.
After all the work I've done.
Which work?
Did you do?
After all the work I've done.
Which work did you do?
You cut one shaki, say it worked. One shaki.
And he ate half of it.
I didn't even eat anything.
Look at your mouth.
See.
Your mouth.
The evidence number what?
I didn't eat
Guys,
anything.
Your mouth
now.
is covered.
Evidence number what is this? Evidence number 1. I've cut you. Moving on. Guys, we're done frying. You don't need to deep fry it. Just a little light fry is fine. And then I'm going to basically sieve it out. Kind of almost done. Because what you need to do now is just fry the pepper and add your seasoning. I'm going to do that after this. Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to more fun parts. The first thing you want to add to your bleached oil is onion. You need more than this, but I don't really eat onion, so just this is enough. Yeah. So you put this and then allow it fry. Just a bit. Not that it will be black. Oh. Yeah, just stir to fry a bit. If you leave it too much, your onion will darken and you don't want that. You just want it to be able to separate. And then the next thing you need to add is your locust bean. Iru, ogiri, dawa. The scent is already coming out.
You can't cook any Nigerian food without your crayfish.
Crayfish, no, I think no. You also don't need too much because you don't want the taste of the crayfish to overpower the.
Is there anything that's too much crayfish?
Yes, there is. In this Ofada there is, because you don't want crayfish has very strong smell. I don't smell that. Are you smelling that already? Oh my god! It's smelling nice already. It's smelling good already. Yeah. And then what you want to add next is your boiled red bell peppers, green bell pepper, and scotch bonnet. I've blended and I've boiled it so that the water. What's that thing on Top Chef? To reduce the water. I've done a reduction on this. I'm a chef. So now I'm adding my pepper mixture. I don't like.
Find us the mixture of the pepper again.
You were not recording when I did it before. Okay. So green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and scotch bonnet. In Yoruba, basically atarodo and tatashe, but I like to have more red bell peppers than green bell peppers. Yes, I blended it with onions too. Thank you for reminding me.
Egg is boiling.
Boil. Ooh. Guys, can you see this already? Oh my gosh! And then leave this to boil for about 10 minutes.
Make all the
of
let
flavors.
them all just relationship together and create babies.
Yes. Thank you, Dikwa, for that good commentary. Now I'm adding what's this thing called? Bouillon cubes. Basically Maggi, as we say in Nigeria. I don't want to add salt yet. Still, I've added the meat stock. I know the meat stock has salt. You know. This is the meat stock I'm adding right now. And I also need to add water later, but let's use the meat stock first. Woo! Yes, it's smelling nice. I wish you were here. Can you own taste good? I've not tasted it.
It's tanson.
Oh, it's tanson soy. Okay, I need to add a little bit of salt. As we do in Nigerian homes.
Hey!
Excuse me!
Hey! Have you ever been to heaven before? This is close to it. Very close.
Guys, I'm about to add all the orishi. First goes the, what's this thing called? Panla fish. Basically smoked fish.
Smoked mackerel.
So panla is not mackerel.
Panla is what?
I don't know the fish.
It's egg. Smoked egg.
Yes. Then next is
Orishi.
beef. Orishi, basically pomo, everything. Add it.
All the concubine and I mean,
yeah, just
all
add
the
everything.
main wife and Ali, all of them together.
Benny, the meat is too much.
Then it's like too much in Nigeria.
And then you stir. The next thing we're going to add is the, what's this called? Egg.
Boiled egg.
Boiled egg. But we need to, the shell, what's it? Is it shell? That's it. We need to crack the eggs first. Peel the eggs. Guys, last but not the least thing you add is the egg. Food is ready, guys. Here is the rice. We're not using like proper Ofada rice, just normal rice. And then here is the sauce, the Ayamase sauce with the egg and everything. Oh my god. Over here dishing his food. Finally. How is it?
It's mad.
Say it's mad. Why are you lying? Kede, why are you lying? Why are you always lying?
It's stupid.
Come and taste the thing.
It's stupid.
It's too foolish. Taste it first.
Over 100, I'm going to score it. No, 150.
Yeah, liar. Perfect. So guys, this is where I'm ending the vlog. This was strictly a cooking video. And I'm having it with this RC Zobo drink. I've had it plenty time, not plenty time, like 2 to 3 times, and it's actually really nice. You can get it at Spa. I don't think it's in ShopRite, or Trust It if you're in Ikoyi. It's not in Renee, so trust it. You have to come to Glover Road. I've not found it at Spa. Just ShopRite and Trust It. This is where you can find this Zobo drink.
Is this your first cook with me?
First? Yeah, so this is my first cook with me video. Hey, yeah. That's true. I didn't even say all this. I've done one before, but it was on Instagram, Insta Stories. So I hope you've learned how to make Ayamase. And also, like, yeah, enjoy your life. Bye.